welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time seeing this face, please do make sure it is not your last. So today, guys, we're starting off this vlog with like a bang, a little bit of like a bang, because I don't think I vlogged yesterday. So I thought, you know what, let me wake up today and take a good bath and then come show you guys items that I got yesterday from Mr. Price. The items that I got from Mr. Price is just a little something, nothing too much, but as I said in my previous vlogs, about every little item that I get for myself, I'll come and show you guys. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing that I got for myself is this black and white vest. It's a bit cropped but not too cropped. I got it in a size small, super small, and it was actually 60 rand. So much it fits so nice, as you guys can see on the side how it looks on me. And the second item that I got is a black silk satin skirt. I've been wanting a black silk satin skirt. I've seen the girlies rocking it. I also got it in a size 32, which I think is a medium, and it was 179 rand, 180. And yeah guys, I love it so much. I'm enjoying it this far, styling it up, styling it down. So yeah guys, that was my mini try on haul, showing haul. And yeah, let's continue the vlog. Right now I'm going to go and make some breakfast for me and my mom, and then yeah, continue vlogging for the rest of the day. Coming vlogs, it's going to be nice things. We're going to be outside, we're going to be yay, yeah, clap that. Time is 8 minutes past 3 and I want you guys to cook with me because I'm craving spaghetti and mince, or macaroni and mince. I'm not sure which one I'm going to choose, but I know we are out of peppers, like red peppers or yellow pepper. Anyway, I'm just going to use onion and then cook spaghetti. So spaghetti means for lunch because ngiyayihalela, so yeah. guys, welcome back yet to another day in the vlog. I'm not sure how this vlog is going to go, but anyway, today I am just here to close off this. I'm here to close off this vlog by having KFC for breakfast. This is like our leftover KFC that we bought. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.